In April of 2015, Uber left Eugene because the city government would no longer allow the company to operate. The overall goal of this campaign was to increase student demonstrations of support for Uber in the hopes of bringing Uber back to Eugene. In order to achieve this, our research goals consisted of understanding how Uber would be used in Eugene, determining what students can contribute in an effort to bring Uber back, what economic impact Uber would have if it were brought back, and to test preliminary campaign ideas. To collect data regarding these goals, we conducted both quantitative and qualitative research through a survey and a focus group. Our target audience was college students. In Eugene, students are a large percent of the population, and they would have many uses for utilizing the service Uber provides. Through the data collected, it became evident that students hold a great deal of interest in the service Uber offers. All of our focus group members and survey respondents had used Uber at least once. When Uber was operating in Eugene, 56% of survey respondents had used the service. A main reason many students used Uber was because they felt unsafe walking home at night in Eugene. All focus group members expressed this feeling, and 82% of survey respondents agreed. In addition, student opinions of Uber were all very positive. 95% of survey respondents had good experiences with Uber. Focus group members all felt Uber is a very convenient form of transportation. Despite the free services the University of Oregon provides for transportation, like Safe Ride and the designated driver shuttle, focus group members still prefer to pay for Uber. Some of this preference comes from its short wait times and affordability. Research was also conducted to see students' willingness to help bring Uber back. 83% of survey respondents felt passionate about this, and all focus group members agreed as well. Many felt Uber can help prevent drunk driving and keep students safer. 93% of survey respondents said they would sign a petition in support for Uber. All focus group members also agreed, as long as it was as simple as a signature and did not require further effort. Students also showed interest in the University of Oregon implementing an agreement with Uber to provide free rides for students if Safe Ride and the designated driver shuttle were not available. This is something that the University of Southern California is currently implementing successfully. With this data, it is evident that if Uber came back to Eugene, it would be very successful. Uber would provide regularly used, safe transportation for much of the student population and could even prevent drunk driving. Overall, students have a positive view of Uber and would be willing to support the campaign to bring Uber back by signing a petition. In addition, if Uber were to return, it could be utilized by the University of Oregon alongside Safe Ride and the designated driver shuttle to provide additional free rides to students. If this research were utilized to create a comprehensive campaign, the effort to bring Uber back to Eugene would be a success.